Namaste, from this side to that side. मैंने Chatgpt and Bart को same prompts दिए and let's see what the result was. So let's start with name for a soup brand. So I wanted to discover कि हम लोग किस टाइप का नाम एक soup brand को launch करने के लिए use कर सकते हैं, and these are the results that I have received from Chatgpt. As soon as I read the word soulful, I was doubtful. Soulful already किसी brand का नाम है, Sip and Savor. I'm not pretty sure whether these are unique names or not, so I went to Google to check, and Sip and Savor is an existing company. So of course ये names unique तो definitely नहीं है. Let's see in images, and it's an entire brand identity that has been created for Sip and Savor. Let's rewrite our prompt. So let's say give a unique, never used before name suggestion for this brand, of course. So it says broth wonders. Interesting, I haven't heard of this before, but let's check on Google what does it says. It says it's unique, but obviously it's more related to the meat soups created in the meat curry and all. So this wasn't the name that I was looking for. So let's go for something else and give me 10 unique options was my next prompt. And here I am. Okay. Ladle luck, simmer mood, stir magic soup, umami, soul sip. I mean, these are okay with something, it's just not clicking. And again, Soul Sip already has a brand of its own. So even after asking like I want unique suggestions and everything, Chatgpt didn't offer me much. Let's go to Bard now. And here I am. I'll give the same prompt to Bard this time and let's see what it has to offer. Name for a soup brand. Yes, I am curious what it's going to offer, and here I come. Souped up, interesting. Let's check. Souped up ideas. Okay, interesting. We have some visuals around it, but it's still unique the way they have added the apostrophe and everything. They have created a new name, so it's not an existing name at least. And Chatgpt soulful soups, let's check. Oh my god, it's already an existing food brand. So Chatgpt is not offering me unique names. And let's check for Superlicious from Bart this time, and it's an existing brand as well. So my lesson for the day is, if I want unique names from either of the AI websites or software, I need to double check to existing names hanky nahi. So, and anyway, for Bard, I shared the prompt name for a soup brand. So I didn't tell Bard that I want a unique soup brand. So that ways we can give Bard some leeway for not telling us the unique names. So I think it's time for us to ask Bard to share some unique names with us. And here it goes. The soup spots soup it up. Superb. This is an interesting list that Bart has shared. I haven't heard of these names, so I think I'm pretty convinced with what Bart has shared, and in this fight, Bart has totally stood out. Hope you liked the discovery I have shared so far, and in case you need unique names, whose door you should be knocking. Hasta la vista, Chiro.